Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to get your favorite digital subscriptions on Etokom. Let's start by heading over to the site. Click on the official link, and you'll land right on our homepage, your one-stop marketplace for digital tools. From AI tools to streaming and marketing resources, we've got everything you need to power your work and creativity. Looking for Canva Pro? Just use the search bar. Here it is. We offer premium access at unbeatable prices. Check out the features, select your duration, let's go with 1 year, and click Add to Cart or Buy Now. If you're new here, registration is a breeze. Just enter your username, email, and a strong password. Don't forget to agree to the terms. Once you're registered, head to your cart. You'll see your subtotal is ready for a secure checkout. Fill in your billing details. In the order notes, you can specify the email address where you want your Canva access delivered. We support multiple secure payment methods. Select your preferred gateway, like Bcash, and click Place Order. Follow the secure prompts, enter your account number, the verification code sent to your phone, and your PIN to finalize the payment. Success! Your payment is processed instantly. You'll be redirected back to the website to see your order summary. There it is. Order number 11531 is confirmed. You can always track your purchases in your personal dashboard. Need help fast? Open a support ticket. Just let us know your order details and the email for activation, and our team will get right on it. Now, check your inbox. You'll receive an invitation link and a confirmation email from the Etokom team. Open the invitation, click Join the class, and log into your Canva account. It's that simple. And you're in. Welcome to the team. You now have full pro access to start designing like a pro. Thanks for choosing Etokom.
Etokom.com. Smart deals for smart people.